Hi guys, so in this video I just want to talk about or go over some of the key things that you should remember when doing the PNS wave calculations, sort of like a cheat sheet. So the first thing I need you to remember that if you see the word P and S wave in the same question, if one question or the sentence asks for both the P wave and the S wave, you see both those words together, you need to use your scrap paper to find the time difference. If you are given the P wave arrival time and then asked when the S wave arrives at the station, you need to add. For instance, the P wave arrives at the station at a certain time. When did the S wave arrive at the station? The S wave will arrive after the P wave. So, since both P and S wave are in the same question, you need to use scrap paper to find the time difference in arrival and then add that time difference to the P wave arrival time. That will tell you that the P wave arrived at the station at a certain time that's given to you, and the S wave will arrive after that time by the time difference that you used or calculated using your scrap paper. Next thing you need to know, if you are given the S wave arrival time at your station and asked when the P wave arrived at the station, that's when you're going to use your scrap paper to find the time difference and subtract. Why? Because the P wave arrives at the station first and then the S wave arrives at the station. So if I tell you the S wave arrived at the station at a certain time, when did the P wave arrive? You're going to use your scrap paper because both the S and P wave are in the same question. You're going to find the time difference using your scrap paper, and then you're going to subtract that time difference to the time that's given to you for the S wave arrival. So if the S wave arrived at 10:00:00, you're going to do 10:00:00 minus whatever time difference you got to find the P wave arrival. Lastly, if you only see P wave or only see S wave in the question, if you don't see both waves mentioned in the question, you do not need to use scrap paper. You just use your reference table, page 11, like you normally do, to find out how long it takes the P wave or the S wave to travel a certain distance. Because normally in a question like this, you're just going to be given the distance. Okay? And yeah, that's about it. Use this review to do the rest of the questions in your packet. Thank you.